Good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the basic circle concepts, which are important for the scholarship also, and for lower standard also, and for higher standard also. So, firstly, what do you mean by the circle? Circle is nothing but, definition of the circle is that circle is nothing but a set of all such points which are placed equidistant from the fixed point. Listen, set of such a point which are placed equidistance. Equidistance means that is radius, OR, OP, OQ. That distances are equal. That means equidistantly placed. Then such type of a diagram is nothing but the circle. Now, concept related to the circle. Interior part, exterior part, and the points on the circle. Firstly, interior part. The part of the plane which is inscribed by the circle, that is nothing but the interior part of the circle. That means, in short, the points which are present into the circular area, these are called as the intracircular part. What is about the extracircular part? The part of the plane which is not present into the circular part, that is called as the extracircular part, or that point, that is the EC. These points are called as the extracircular point. That means these points are present outside the circle, and the points which are present on the circumference, that is B, Q, R and A, these are the 4 points which are present on the circumference. So these are known as the points which are present on the circumference. So these 3 concepts, that is the points present into the circle, then outside the circle, and the on the circle. Now next concept is the radius. OR is a radius, okay. Then OP is also radius. That means the distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle, that is A, P, R, Q, B. That is nothing but what? Radius. And it is denoted by small letter r. Okay. Then diameter. The line joining to the points which are present on the circle, and that line must pass through the center, known as the diameter. Okay. So here PQ is a diameter. And listen, the longest chord of the circle is nothing but the diameter. Okay. So AB is a chord. That means the line which joins the 2 points present on the circle, that is called as the chord. AB is a chord. So this is about the radius, diameter, chord. Relation between the radius and the diameter. That R and D. D is a double of the radius. That means suppose R is the 2, then definitely diameter is a 4. It's very simple. If it's a 2.5, then it's a 5. If into the exam they will ask, if the diameter is the 6, then find out the radius of the circle. So what is the answer? Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. So 6 upon 2, that means divided by 2. That answer is the 3. Okay. So this is about the definition of the circle. Then the concept related to the circle, that is the radius, diameter, circumference, then points on the circle, point present into the circle, outside the circle. Circumference is what? That is nothing but the circumference. It's circular tract. That is called as the circumference, and it denoted by the letter C. Always C. Okay. So thank you. अगर आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा तो आप इसको शेयर करो, देन सब्सक्राइब. ओके, थैंक यू.